This is the river, and all the names will be in the description down below. We have managed to get to Dinerth Castle. This is Karl-James Langford. I've got to go up the big slope now. Very difficult to get to, very difficult to find, and I would never advise coming here. So what we're going to do, well, I've got to go up that slope now. So we're going to go on a little bit of a journey. This site that we're going to look at was a defensive site probably in the 1000s. Therefore it's pre-Norman. There's lots of people and kingdoms that are equated with this site. The Aberarth, even the kingdom of Gwynedd. So a bit of a short video actually, because you know there's no stonework to see. But it's an area over at least a 5-acre landscape. And it's protected in the sense that trying to get here is very, very difficult. It overlooks a commanding landscape, and as I'm coming up this slope, hopefully the earthworks that we've just seen from the river, there's two rivers that join here, the Aeron, and another river that will be in the description. I know people are sometimes critical of getting river names and stuff wrong, so we'll just put that in the description. So as I'm coming up, and as the reveal, as I'm coming up this slope, this site is one of those lost castle sites within the world of Cymru, part of the kingdom of the Aberarth, and then occasionally swapped to the kingdom of Gwynedd. And notable names like Lord Rhys come into the fray of this site, and another one of those Cadwaladrs. As you can see, I'm out of breath, and look at this. This is actually some of the earthworks, and what I might do is give some of the history when I get to the top, which would add some more credence to this video. And I don't have to do these videos much these days. Last time I was out with a chap from Pontypridd called Joseph. We were looking at his landscape at Castell Dinerth. So that was some months back. So this is now looking at this set, these earthworks. And this is the Castle of Dinerth. And look at the amazing views. This is all part of the landscape of Dinerth. And I do believe that's actually stonework. I'm told that there's no stonework up here at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little bit of history. And I do believe that all these earthworks are associated with this. I'm not going to go back down and up. So somebody said to me years ago, one earthwork is just like another. So it's a tributary of two rivers actually. And if I can give you a little bit of history, and unfortunately guys, all I've got in front of me is the entry on Wikipedia. However, let's just see if we can get another entry from the castle's website, but unfortunately I don't have reception. So I'll give you a little bit of information. Castell Dinerth, Dinerth. I do believe down there that's the River Aeron, and it's basically a castle itself that comes into the landscape of similar sites such as Trefillan, which is on the road from Tregaron to Lampeter, and the Castell Gwalchta, which is also near Tregaron. But this is quite a large site, and it's the it's telling me it's actually the junction between the Arth and the Erddig rivers, Erddig streams. So not the Aeron, so I really apologise for that. So between the Arth and the Erddig streams. So this is Karl-James Langford for my video expose at Dinerth. Well worth a visit. There is some stone masonry here, and all the chroniclers tell us that this was an earthen build site, but that is clearly stonework, which has been ripped up by the tree roots. It does look geological in a way, but that could represent some of the stonework. So again, if we sort of look up here, these humps and bumps, it's well worth a visit. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.